The Kerala Government Council on Thursday submitted an altered stand on its argument over former Finance Minister and Kerala Congress M founder K. Mani in the Supreme Court. It changed its earlier stand that K. Mani was corrupt. The protest waged by the Left MLAs in Assembly in 2015 when they were in the opposition was against the Oommen Chandy government. The government pleader submitted in the court on Thursday. On July 5th, senior lawyer Ranjith Kumar had argued that Mani was corrupt and the protest was against the corrupt finance minister presenting the budget. This stand had shocked LDF's ally, Kerala Congress M. The bench headed by Justice DY Chandrachud was hearing the appeal of the government against the rejection of its application to withdraw the case from the Kerala High Court. The government argued that the Assembly will take care of the events happening on its premises. While accepting the freedom of expression of the legislatures, Justice Chandrachud asked if someone comes with a revolver and empties it in the Assembly, will the system leave it to the Assembly? LDF convener A. Vijayaraghavan also earlier said that Mani's name was not mentioned in the protest and the lawyer did not mention in the court that Mani was corrupt. Protest was against the corrupt government. That is what we told the Supreme Court too, he had said. It's true that heated debates happen in the court also, but does that mean that one can destroy the paraphernalia of the court? The court asked the government lawyer. The Assembly is the Sri Kovil of democracy. There is no doubt about the fact that in assemblies and parliaments there is right for the freedom of expression. What is in the interest of public if MLAs themselves come out to destroy materials inside the Assembly? The bench quipped. But the Government Council said that political protests against the government is unusual inside assemblies. People's representatives enjoy immunity during protests within the Assembly. The government also has the power to close the case. To this, the court retorted, under what provision of the law the state government has the power to close the case? Justice Chandrachud further asked the Kerala government, was it in the public interest or in the service of public justice to seek withdrawal of prosecution against the MLAs who have damaged the sanctum sanctorum of democracy? He reiterated, is it justified? On July 5th, the top court had said that the unruly behavior of lawmakers in parliament and assembly cannot be condoned and they should face trial for destroying public property inside the house. The Kerala government had cited privileges and immunity to MLAs and urged the top court to drop cases against the left leaders. The Kerala High Court, in an order passed on March 12th, had refused to give its nod, saying that the elected representatives are expected to uphold the prestige of the House or face consequences. The MLAs had vandalized Speaker's dais, uprooted his chair, pulled out mic system, computer, etc. News Desk, Kaumudy English.